This is the world's very first 5090 inside of a NUC PC. ROG is bringing us the NUC 16 Edition 20 with their 20th anniversary that we're celebrating here at Computex 2026 in Taiwan. What makes this so special is the fact that we have a 5090 inside of it, 38 decibels of fan noise when we're playing Pragmata, getting 340 frames per second. Yeah, this thing is not running as hot as I thought it would. It can also go up to 128 gigabytes of RAM if you have the money to afford it. It has the Core Ultra 9 29HX processor inside of it, which means we're getting about a 10 to 15% improvement on the previous model we used to have. Now, if you're wondering, yes, that 5090 is boasting 24 gigabytes of VRAM. The era of massive PCs for gaming is coming to an end, and it's kind of a sad and strange scenario to be in. I'm a massive fan of big gaming PCs, but the portability, the fact that this thing can be put upright or on its side, the fact that even in Pragmata we can get 340 frames, it's insane. Just looking at the form factor itself, how it's designed, how many ports we're getting, that is really cool. Now, if you're wondering how they're keeping it cool, they have a unified vapor chamber and triple fan sets to make sure this thing doesn't overheat. It's also boasting 1 Gen 5 NVMe and 1 Gen 4 NVMe slot. That's where they get that 2 terabytes of storage spec from, by the way. Design-wise, for the 20th anniversary, they're gold plating everything. We saw it on almost all of their products that they're launching here at Computex 2026, and it's no different for the NUC PC. If you zoom in right here, you'll see that's gold plated. Nice. And that's gold plated. That's about it. Now, if you're asking about price, don't think it's gonna be cheap. It's their 20th anniversary, they're gold plating everything. It's not gonna be cheap. What it is though is really cool. It looks really cool. This was Stefan from Computex here at Computex 2026. See you in the next one. Cheers, bye.